another layer of complexity, research suggests that some people may have a heightened cough reflex. This means they're more likely to cough, even with minor irritants. Springtime, with its abundance of airborne pollen, can therefore exacerbate coughing in these individuals. In summary, the possible relationship between spring pollen and coughing is a complex interplay of immune responses, inflammation, nerve sensitivity, and reflex actions. Investigations into why we possibly cough more during spring point to inflammation and possible sensitization of our respiratory system's nerves by pollen, which may intensify the coughing reflex. There's no universal remedy, but by understanding what triggers this seasonal coughing, we can find ways to lessen the impact.